We interrupt our regular programming to bring you this special COVID-19 edition of our travel vlog. I'm Eric.
I'm Kirsten.
And I'm Jamie.
Obviously, we're not traveling because we're stuck at home. Vancouver is about to go on a citywide shutdown because of COVID-19, just like all major cities in the world pretty much. So Vancouver has been recommending social distancing measures for everyone to help control this COVID-19 pandemic. And who knows, next week they might be on a total citywide shutdown. So we've been staying at home doing our part. But what we want to do is reach out to our audience and see what you guys are doing, but also share with you what we've been doing to give you some ideas so that you're not so bored at home. So Kirsten, what have you been doing at home?
So I like doing crafts a lot, and like from Christmas we always get a lot of Ferrero Rocher boxes, and I just painted this one. It's kind of random green color. It's the only paint I had. And then I also was pretty bored, so I painted my charger heads, these things.
That's cool.
This
That
one's
looks
a
really
blue,
nice.
and you can, and for these little polka dots, you don't need anything special. You don't need a dotting tool or anything. You just use the nail polish brush and just dab it on. But for this one, probably my personal favorite, I did little hearts on this one. It's a plain, regular charger head, and I put little hearts on it with the dotting tool, and yeah.
That's pretty cool.
You can also try out new hairstyles. You can get better at something. You can read, you can cook, you can bake, you can clean. You can do a lot of things.
All right. And how about you, Janie? What have you been doing? Or what do you plan to do?
Well, I plan to do, what my plan is, I'm going to go look at the fridge today and see what I have and come up with, a very, very special meal for tonight. And I'm going to be creative with whatever I have in the fridge and see what I can come up with. So I'll show you what I have tonight. So what we have for dinner tonight is chicken pho or beef pho. So it's pretty easy. The broth, what you do is that maybe you get it from the supermarket, get some pork bones or anything. You just come home, you blanch it, and then you just boil it until until the soup is ready, basically. Or add some chicken stock if you want to add some flavor, and then just add some flavor to the soup, basically, until the flavor that you desire. And then what I have here is chicken. So if you like dark meat or white meat, up to you. And this is a beef ball. Get it from any supermarket, basically. This is the beef ball, and then you just cut it up. After you come home, and this is beef. Just get some beef, and then you can bring it home and slice it, thinly slice, and then later you can put on the pho. All right. So while I wait for the soup to get heated, over here I'm just gonna blanch the noodles, the pho.
Okay, now.
So once the noodle is all done, so you can soften, or you can try when the noodle is done. Just put all the ingredients on the pho. Because I don't eat beef, so I'm the one having chicken. So for my daughter and my husband, they will be the one having beef. Of course, we're gonna add some garnish.
So although we can't travel or show you really yummy food places, we'll do that at home. So where do you get your resources to learn new stuff?
Well, there's many avenues. Number one, you can go online and check out, what people have put out. And the other thing is that, your friends, FaceTime your friends. Very useful, and you can get connected that way as well. And I'm sure you can get lots of ideas from them. And actually, most of my friends are very, very good cook.
Yep, so for me, I've got 10 years worth of family videos, which I have not had the time to edit. So I'm actually happy that we are staying at home and isolating, because I get to catch up on all that. And then, of course, my motorcycle rides. It's too bad I can't be out there, but... that's what we're going to do. I don't know about you guys. Share with us. Leave it in the comments what you'll be doing, what creative stuff you're doing. Whatever you're doing, do it at home because we all need to do our parts to stay at home to control this pandemic. Because if you think about it, that's really the only way to make sure that you don't get it is you don't go outside. Plus, if you don't go outside, you don't become a carrier. Some people don't even know that they have it and they're carrying it from one place to another. And that's how Italy has become what it has. So let's all do our part to plank the curve or flatten the curve so that we can all get through this together. And then we can all be outside traveling again and enjoying yummy food and riding on motorcycles. Right? So that's it for us this week. Please leave us comments down below of any creative ideas that you have during this home isolation period.
And please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming food and travel adventures.
Yep, so do your part during this pandemic and stay home.
It's not that
bad.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm so sissy.
Dad, why are you doing?
Because he wants you.
Because that's my transition into it.
Okay.
You don't like it?
No! Anyway.
Why do you use liquid paper on your nails?
Not liquid paper. White nail polish.
Sorry. Paper. Okay.
Anyway. Remember to practice your social distancing.